So for this video, we're gonna travel by train. So this is the full POV of our train ride going to the airport and to Brussels. Yeah, see you again, Brussels. See you, mother. This is titled Reunited. Alright, see you in the next vlog. And UJ, shoutouts to my son UJ. Alright, right, kita-kits tayo later. POV tayo sa train ride. Let's go. Pinoy trucker. Yan ang train natin, guys. 253 VR Matkala. Hanapin natin yung train natin, track 1 IC22. Let's go. Shoutouts kay pare Alfred Julie, pare Julie Alfred. Alright, let's go. Alas 12 yung alis. IC22. Is it? Oh shit. Wala naman. Truck 1. Shit. Alas 12 pa ang dating. Akala ko ito yun. Tama ba? IC22 hanggang Ticorella tayo. Helsingfors, Ticorella. Alright, I'm gonna wait here for the train. Tama ba? IC22, tama. IC22, tama naman, guys. Doon tayo banda sa harap. Let's go. Tammerfors. That's a Tammerfors, guys. Whew. Whew. Alright. We're going to Helsinki. Alright. Lentoasema. Right, sakay tayo dyan guys. Commuter train I. Let's go. Alright, ang taas oh. Wow, guys. Taas guys. Longest escalator in the world. Mustard burger. Kain muna tayong burger. Burger. Alright.
Thank you.
Jij moet terug, man. Je hebt de woorden pas van je moeder.
Lang tayo sa kanila guys. Touchdown Avantin Brussels. Alright, surut-surut lang tayo guys kung saan yung exit. Alright, see you later guys. Itarbi. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour, bonjour. Bonjour. Merci, merci. Pada blue. Askling.
The most important not to be good.
Alright guys, sakay tayo dyan guys. Oh, mami. Let's go, let's go. Oi. 59. We're gonna ride the tram there. What's the name of that? Oh, let's see. Rodebek. Ito sa Rodebek, guys. Tapos Rodebek may sasakay tayo doon pag ganun. Ganun yun. Tram. Guys. Kabisaduhin na lang natin tong Brussels. Ayan dito. Brussels, guys. Alright. Seven minutes. 7 minutes. Occasion. Départ. 7 minutes. Sion Pelart. Le Pelart. Let's go. Tapos from here, transfer ng transfer natin? Transfer ng Etoile. Camretoile. Transfer Camretoile. Alright, let's go down here in
7 minutes.
Etoile. Alright. And then ito, Etoile. Etoile ang basa niyan. Cambre Etoile. And then from Cambre Etoile, what's next? Cambre Etoile, going there. Negran 44. 77. Ay,
7.
7. Yan, 7. Okay. Cambre Etoile tapos 7. Brussels. Ang ganda ng mga building, guys. Oh. Alright. Yung pala, Vanderkinder. Yung next na 6 minutes na tram. Uy, sarap magbike. Electric bike, oh, nadaan. Wow. E-bike. Let's go. Cambre Etoile. Makakalito lang dito, ang daming tram. Ayan, tram, mga palibot-libot. Dapat alam mo yung bababa mo, kaya binablog ko. Tapos bukas na ulit yung Eurostar. Let's go. Tsaka kakainin ko, vlog ko mamaya. Ganda, guys, oh. Tram experience, oh. Next time tram experience tayo, guys, pag may time. Vanderkinder. Yung bike na yun, guys, oh. Punta akong bike dito, guys, oh. Oh, in memory siguro ng mga mga na-disgrasya sa bike yan. Kasi may mga kandila, no? Mga kandila siya, guys. Yun. Oh, mga pangalan siguro nila. For the fallen cyclist to, guys. For the fallen cyclist here in Brussels. Etoile. Ride safe. Right. Share the road. Let's go. Etoile. Gonna ride Churchill. Tapos Churchill going to Churchill yung sakyatin. Churchill tapos ano ba? Ano ba to? 10.
Hospital Militaire.
Hindi ko Hospital Militaire tapos diretso na to ng Albert.
Dadaan yan.
2 stops lang. Okay, from here 2 stops na lang itong Vanderkinder and then Berkendal. To Churchill. Right. Let's go. Churchill. Babaan namin tapos Tapos ito, Vanderkinder. Next stop na, mababa na kami. Going to Barkenda. Ang daming Asian store dito. May Filipino store pa doon na daanan namin kanina. Western
Grocery. Grocery. Simbahan.
Church. Dallas. Shushiro. Ang ano lang dito parang madilim, no? Kaya ingat-ingat lang din, guys. Ano? Dito na ba yun? Military Hospital. Dito na tayo sa Berkendal, guys. Berkendal. Ano ba tayo sa next? Saan babaan? Right. Right ang babaan. Oh, ayan na. Kita ko na yung bahay mo. Ayan. Kulay puti dun. Dito na tayo sa Berkendal. Alright. Let's go. Berkendal. Touchdown. Alright. Military Hospital. Tingnan namin yung time tomorrow.
Tamti Saturday. Ato'y Saturday.
Berkendal. Alright. Pakita ko na lang mamaya yung kakainin ko. Yung pata at saka bulalo, guys. Yan. Yun lang tinanabol natin mga pagkain. Kasi wala dun sa atin. Pakita ko na lang sa inyo yun, and then later I'm gonna go to sleep, and then see you tomorrow again for the next video. It's the Eurostar. Yan. Eurostar going to Amsti. Alright. See you tomorrow, guys. Good night. Alright, guys, ito na yung pinunta natin talaga dito. Pata! Uy! Pata team. And then, ito, Bulalords. Yan, no, paa ng baka, guys. Ang tawag dito sa Nigeria daw is Brokolo. Yeah. This one is Bulalo. Ayan, no? Sarap. Tara, let's eat. Kita-kits tayo na lang bukas. Susunod na vlog, guys. I-transfer ko na yung files, yung rice. Tapos sili, syempre. Sili and soy. Alright. Pata. Para sa pata. Let's go.